Hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab. That's monkeyfabgarage.com, monkeyfabgarage.com, and this is future Mike. I know in the videos I'm probably like 3 months behind, I would guess. And in the videos we are currently tightening up the engine and getting ready to throw everything back in the car. Well, flash forward to the future, and the car is all assembled. It's ready to go. Wheel speed sensors, drive shaft sensors. I thought this was really cool. I found this screw-in drive shaft sensor from Jegs for only like $40, $44, something like that. It's a Hall effect sensor and screws right onto the old TH400 boy. So we don't have to use the old cable thing, which we're not going to have anyway because we have all Holley Pro dash. But that's the only thing we need to wire up is the dash and the ECU, and then I need to figure out the sort through. But what I wanted to let you guys know is we're going to be on Sloppy Mechanics radio show, the podcast, tomorrow evening. I want to say it's 8 p.m. Eastern time, and super excited about that. I guess Matt forgot that he already had me on, but I'm not the type of person to look a gift horse in the mouth. I love chatting about cars. I'm super excited that there is a podcast out there that's dedicated to cars and stuff. There was one, I think it was like Power Wheels or something like that. I used to enjoy watching, and it just kind of disappeared. So super excited that Matt's doing this, and I always enjoy, and it's such a fascinating deal to listen to people he talks to and learn so much, like from Cameron and the guy that runs the Real Street and Jake's. I mean, just so many people about so many interesting topics. I'm not so interesting, but I enjoy chatting, as you guys can tell, and I'm happy to do it. So be sure to drop in and check out the Sloppy. The other thing we're doing is I'm giving away a turbo. So I thought you guys might dig this. I have this nice VS Racing, the old one that was on the car, and the only bad thing about this, it's not really bad, is it's just the small housing. So if you want to make like 500-600 horsepower, this guy does great. Over 6-ish, it starts running into some back pressure issues. But what we're doing is every purchase of over $200 for the month of August, if you've already done it, it being August, you're automatically entered. And in the future, if you're doing purchases of over $200, and I'll do a drawing, we'll do like a random thing at the end of the month, pull up everybody that spent that, and give away a turbo to somebody. Hopefully they can use it or sell it or do something with it. It's a great little turbo, and we'll probably start doing some more of those, like little turbo giveaways. Just a simple way to kind of give back. We really appreciate the business. We're trying to grow it, and I think that that might be something that people would appreciate. So with all that said, I just be sure to drop in tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Sloppy Mechanics on YouTube. Sloppy Mechanics with Matt Happel. You can go also check them out on Facebook, Sloppy Mechanics page. And that's about all I got to say about that. On with the show. Always wear safety glasses, folks, even when you're sanding plastic. See my eye, I got something in my eye. It's annoying. I need to go rinse it out. So here's where we're at. All we did is, like I said, just made a template out of our sandpaper, or not sandpaper. Oh, you're retarded, Mike. Okay. Out of the tinfoil, which we kind of scribed around this guy, which got us semi-close, and then I went and just put some nice lines on this guy based off of the center section thingy, and I'm just using these lines as a guide to try to get this guy to fit in this guy. Get it? Yep, so that's where we're at. Just sand a bit, check it, sand it, check it, sand it, check it. Easy. You too can do this at home, boys and girls. What do you guys think? It fits in there. I still have to do some tidying up, but yeah. Hopefully, yeah, you guys can see that. So I'll probably just put some, like, what do you call, riv nuts on the back of this guy and be able to just unscrew this thing. Hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab. Monkey Fab, there's a sign back there too, but the Phoenix is blocking it. Today, look how bright it is in here. Jacob has put in these LED lights. Holy crap, man. I thought I was a bit skeptical. Everybody's like, oh my God, these LED lights are so yeah, the LEDs super bright. Nice. Anyway, I'm gonna say something and I'm gonna mean it. We are doing final assembly for finals this time. We're not reassembling it anymore. I think this will be good. Really, first iteration or two, I got to figure out what I liked, what I didn't like, and this point. Also, you know, it's just a matter of also having money to buy the stuff you need for your projects. So there's a little thing like the digital dash. Couldn't afford that when I first did this car, but can now, and boy, it makes a difference. That's like a life changer, and we'll go into detail more about that in the future. But yeah, check out the give you guys a look at the manifold boy outside of the car, and you'll see we got these nice 1/2-inch flanges, the Monkey Fab titanium exhaust studs right there, and our manifold, we used one of these guys, the billet 3-inch for the 2.5 schedule 10 pipe, which fit that pretty well on there. And we got our wastegate shooting right out there, and it is, I still gotta dimple this boy. Remember I said that I was gonna dimple that, and I still need to, I probably should mark it right now where I can get to it. Anyway, point being is everything's going back in the car for good this time. I do believe, I hope so. So we'll maybe run some time lapses. I know people aren't big time lapse fans, but it should be interesting throwing it all back together, see how it goes. Should go pretty smooth. I hope. Did a lot of engineering and forward thinking to try to make everything fit well, and we're about at that point, so we'll see how it goes, guys. Wondering how Bob's doing? Bob's doing fine. He just got a bath yesterday. Hey Bob, say hi to the people. Nothing? Okay. We're burning trash. It's trash burning day. 4th of July tomorrow, so. Hey Bob, do something entertaining for us. What do you got? Can you do tricks? Bob, sit. Lay down. Roll over. Oh, look how chubby you are. Come here, Bob. Come on. Bob. Are you being too good for us? You too good for us now, Bob? With your majestic mullet, your Mountain Dew colored moo-moo? You look nice, Bob. You look nice. I just sprayed some fly spray on, try to keep the flies off them. You don't like the flies, do you, Bob? You're much more refined than that. Oh yeah, it's going good. Woohoo! Happy to get rid of cardboard. All right, back to final install for reals this time.